In yet another sign of recovery and revival, we are seeing that spending of credit cards is back to pre-COVID levels. Very positive sign, a good news coming in, especially in the retail consumption space. So we have been over the days talking about a lot of good news coming in, how demand is coming back, how retail consumption is coming back. So surely this leads to an increase in the spends of cards as well, and that is a positive sign shown by RBI's data. Now banks have recorded rupees 50,311 crore worth spends on credit cards. So clearly showing that consumers are going out and spending. Online shopping is coming back, everyone is getting out as well, so spends on overall on your credit cards have also increased and have come back to pre-COVID levels in the month of August. Now compared to March, it was at 50,574 crore rupees. So surely we are seeing an increase. Now over the months we are seeing a sequential improvement. Now obviously it's still lower compared to overall last year. If you compare YOY, it's 60,011 crore rupees the spends were, but now it is also growing and coming back. So that is what we are always talking about, recovery, revival, that we are seeing in the consumer trends in retail consumption overall, and positive sign coming in. Now overall, even the outstanding loans on credit cards have reverted to its near peak levels, which were recorded in February and March period. So that was before the pandemic actually struck around the country. So before that also, if you go to see, we are seeing that the RBI data shows that the credit card is the levels of that is surely coming back to pre-COVID levels. Now the total due of loans, if you go to see, according to the figure, the entire banking system was at around 1.04 lakh crores at the month of end of August, now against 1.08 lakh crore in the month of March. So we are seeing the gap is becoming smaller day by day, and we are coming closer to that. Now according to the ET report, it is showing that HDFC Bank's payment business head Parag Rao spoke to ET, and they did talk about that despite this not being a normal year, they saw a comeback of a sorts from July, and the second phase of spends will come during the festive season. People are going to be buying a lot more, especially we have a lot of attractive offers also coming in. Amazon sale is there, the festive season overall sales do start at this period of time. So the suppressed demand which we had seen over a period of time, that may come back among consumers, especially during festive season, is what HDFC Bank's spending head, payment business head Parag Rao spoke about. Now consumption demand had crashed in the country in the initial period during the lockdown, and credit card spends were also down to a multi-decade low. So surely coming in and recovering that fast, it's surely a very positive sign coming in, and overall a very good news, positive news coming in for the India's retail consumption space, where credit card spends are surely coming back to normalcy.